I did wear the costume last night, yes, if you're wondering. Yes.
Simon, thanks so much. This game like 600 subs, like a minute or so. That's great.
The Eye of Milton is still about 27 miles.
Oh my God.
We still got over an hour. We got probably about half an hour and a half until Lightfall still.
Did he just say an hour and a half or a half hour?
Hour and a half.
My God. And that's how fast the winds are?
Mm-hmm.
Really picking up.
We're gonna get right. If that's what it is right now, it's gonna get on.
Oh my goodness.
Much.
Bradenton, Florida.
Don't forget, like the stream if you're enjoying it, and make sure to like the stream. Helps get this out to more people. And we are still over an hour away from landfall. The wind's really starting to pick up now. Bradenton, Florida. Sure,
Guys,
subscribe to the
incredible.
channel as
The
well if you're
support
new.
of these streams is amazing. Love you guys.
I wonder what kind of vehicle they have that's able to withstand the winds when they're there.
Look at that cloud over there, Chad. Just see that. Wow. Dina, thanks so much for the super chat. Oh, the power flash across the bank. Yes.
We are quickly approaching nighttime. What happened at Anna Marie Island? Camera.
What's going on?
The camera break. I don't know what's going on that camera. The bench. I can't even see the bench anymore.
Maybe that's
switched out the
rain.
Inglewood Beach camera.
Maybe that's rain where that bench chair thingy was before. Maybe it's rain directly heading at the camera. Maybe.
I think Anna Marie Island. I think that camera just went out or something. Give me 1 second. We're gonna go back to Connor again. So I can switch out that camera. I don't know. I don't know what happened to that camera. I don't know. I don't really know.
We got another Jason here. I don't know who he is, but it's super chat, guys. Put you on a half screen for a second to show you a little bit bigger where we are. See that island on that red?
Tanya, coming
Out
over.
in the ocean, that's heading right for us. Oh, my bad, guys. I'm gonna turn off the wipers altogether.
Dakota, I know. That's crazy.
My bad. We almost got 10K likes this week. Oh my gosh. We just got 10K likes.
Okay, back to this. Now we got 3 cameras up. The other one seems to have gone down.
At least there's no tornado warnings right now.
Ooh, just had a big power flash on Connor's stream.
Really?
Throw him back.
That
10
is
seconds.
scary.
Look at this. Power flash months ago.
I wonder if those lights are about to go out.
Well, that's their windshield wipers.
No, I mean, I wonder if the lights that are there are about to go out.
Surging
No,
down
I
here
don't know.
in Bradenton, Florida. This is the worst of the wind that we've seen thus far.
I doubt it.
Back to live. This is probably about 100 mile per hour winds right now, Bradenton, Florida.
Wow.
More than I will, Chad. You're still not in the most intense.
Shout out to Bonnie for becoming a VIP Velocity member.
Sorry, kids, for becoming a member. Bailey, thanks for becoming a member. You all, but
What in the world? Oh, that was a windshield wiper. What is that?
up in it, bro. This is nuts. That guy's driving through it like an animal. Chad.
Wow, look at that.
Whoa! Open window. No. Oh, I got it, guys. Sorry.
Did he say welcome to Florida, Milton?
I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna leave this on for 2 seconds. I'll be back in like 30 seconds.
Wow.
These waves might start coming over.
He must have had to pee.
Hey, look at the super chat.
Happens to the best of us.
Wow, it's ripping! Approaching 100 here. Big time win stream win.
It's so funny how it talks about something with Helene up above in the. Wow, I just can't believe that wind.
Crazy wind here.
Even though this is Milton, it said something about Helene.
Told you the other side of the eye wall was more intense. We're not even in it yet, really. We're not even in the backside. We're in the northeast side.
Huge shout out to James, Russ, and Bradley, also Venmo donations.
And just tuned in, welcome in. We're in Bradenton. Things are starting to ramp up. Getting towards that back eye wall. The velocity's there. Holy cow, let me pull that back up. Holy cow, guys, look at the velocities in that eye wall right there. That is insane. Look at that. That's what we're about to get into. Look at it on Connors. Look at that. Yeah, we're getting into those big time velocities on the backside. Oh man. That's what we're looking for right there, guys. Yep. I starting to feel it though.
Alright. Milton again is within hours of landfall here in Florida. The eye is only about 25 miles offshore. It is quickly approaching a landfall more than likely in Sarasota or Longboat Key, Florida.
Oh boy, I've been to Longboat Key too.
Cameras going to be right near this eye. The wind is crazy. We're just going to go back to Connor. Look at the wind. It's crazy.
Hey, I didn't watch this.
Wait a second, we'll load here. Maybe it'll load.
What are they doing? You're watching the screen.
Oh, you know, there you go.
Hey, I didn't watch this.
Wind is still very crazy here.
No way.
Let me go back to these cameras though. We got some cameras also. This is the Osprey. If you guys remember, this is the Osprey Florida camera. Water's actually going over the dock now. See it here too.
Wow.
Water's now going over the dock. It is in night vision mode. So it's a lot darker, but you can see the water is now going over the dock there. In Osprey, Florida. Back over in Venice, Florida. The water has now gone over the lifeguard tower. It's now moving inland further. So storm surge continues to ramp up. Port Charlotte, Florida has the absolute worst storm surge that we've seen thus far. You can no longer see that pole. The pole is now
No,
not
that little
there.
pole
You
that
can't
was
see
there
anymore.
is gone.
Instead, all the water now surging
We
into the beach.
just
Trees
had
are
another
being hit
power
very hard as
surge.
well. This is leaking inland as well. So we are seeing significant storm
And another
surge
one.
right now here in Port
We're
Charlotte,
probably gonna lose power.
Florida, which again is basically like Tampa Bay, where water is hard to get let out of there. So that water is just going to kind of stick up in there.
Okay.
This is over in Englewood Beach. The storm surge really ramping up now. We are starting to see the water really get over now this little walkway. So that water is pushing more inland, continuing to become a bigger problem here. Venice, Florida, we got a few others as well. We got Siesta Key, Florida, nothing yet, but we're going to continue to keep a close eye there. And then back up in Anna Maria Island, it is just pouring. You can't even see anything right now.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I think that's
I've been
just
to
wind.
Sanibel and Anna Maria Island. They're both nice. They're hoity-toity.
Hoity-toity.
Hoity-toity. Of the really bad weather conditions that we're seeing in terms of storm surge, hurricane force winds, and flooding rainfall. We also have a camera, I forgot, we have a couple others. We have the Osprey one. We have the other one in Venice, Florida, though, and this is right in a little bit further inland, but you can see all the water here.
I like
All
this
that
guy,
water's not
max
supposed to be there, so we're
velocity.
starting to see water move more to the inland areas now as storm surge continues to increase. The water is getting higher, so we are starting to see more and more impacts being felt here across Florida. At the bottom of your screen are several of those cameras right now that are all picking up on storm surge.
It's insane.
Englewood Beach, Florida, and Port Charlotte, Florida.
Kind of quiet here right now.
Let's go back to Englewood Beach, Florida.
Yeah, it's kind of mysterious that it's quiet.
Landfall has not happened yet. We are still over an hour from landfall. Thank you, Taylor for the Venmo, thank you, Matthew for the super chat, and also Rebecca for the super chat.
Yeah. As soon as you say that, I hear a rush of wind up against the window, and we have another power surge.
We didn't have a power surge.
Yes, we did.
We're gonna see this water actually like come more inland. Like we've seen big waves.
I'm telling you, when you hear the clicking noise, that's how you know when it's doing it. There it goes. Something hit the door.
You should close that window shade.
I'm gonna get up. Can't see anything.
Here comes another big wave. Look at that, crashing right against the walkway. Another big wave.
I checked that window shade.
All right, I guess I'll shut it.
Apparently Connor picked somebody up. I don't know what exactly happened.
Say bye to the camera. Say see you later, YouTube.
Picked somebody up. I don't know what happened there.
Say bye.